What's up guys, this is how to use a green screen. Okay, so after that really awkward intro, this is how to use a green screen. So I'm just gonna assume you guys already know how to get to the screen I'm at now and start your sequence. So then you're gonna want to find the clip you want and just drag and drop it into the editor. There are other ways to get it in there, but this is the easiest way. And then you just want to find the specific clip you're wanting to use the green screen on. This is mine, and rewatch it just to make sure it's the right clip. Guys, this is how to use a green screen. Lovely. So then I'm going to take my picture. As you can see, my picture didn't really fit the screen, so I'm going to resize it just so it fits better. This was just some random picture I took of the sky years ago. It has no relevance, it's just for the example. Yeah. And then once you're done resizing it, if you even have that issue, make sure you put it below your green screen layer. Then you're going to want to go to Effects, Video Effects, and then you're going to want to scroll down and find Keying. I'm not going to lie to you, it did take me a minute to find it. And then once you find it, scroll down, find Ultra Key, and just drag and drop that onto the green screen layer. Then you want to use the eyedropper tool and select the green background. I would recommend using different shades of green and just testing because some of them might work better than others. And then I'm going to change the screen I'm looking at from composite to alpha channel just so I can see this black and white video. You generally want your whole background to be black because that's what's going to disappear. You can change it back to composite to see how it looks. I wasn't completely happy with how that one looked, so I'm going to go back and mess with other details. But if you're happy with how that looked, then solid, you're done. I'm just a perfectionist. I also zoomed in here so I could see more details like my clothing and my hair because those things can be left out if you just leave it how it is. But once you get something you're happy with, you're done. And that's how you use the green screen on Premiere.